So we are going to compare mountain white bread to delicious seeds and grains gluten-free bread. So this is the seeds and grain bread from Little Northern Bakehouse. For some reason my bread always comes like this when I buy it from them. I think it's because they stack it, and when it gets frozen or something, and it caves in a little bit.
What's that?
And this is the Cayon Bakery bread. It's gluten-free. The mountain white on the bottom.
Mountain white, yeah, mountain white.
So from just touching it, the Cayon Bakery mountain white bread is a little more spongy and moist, and the crust is really hard. Whereas this has a drier, more bread-like consistency, like bread you buy from the store. And the crust is not hard, but pliable. And as you can see, the shape is very different. You really couldn't make a sandwich out of the different pieces of bread. This one is squatter, and this one is taller this way. But they're kind of the same size if you would put them like this. Alright, let's layer on the things and see how these hold together.
Okay. I said okay. Why am I allergic to this?
Because you are.
But I don't want to be allergic to it. We will have this triangle. My tomato fell out. Help me, help me. My tomato fell out. Mommy, the bread always fall off. Is the tomato supposed to fall out?
I don't think so. First, I am going to try the mountain white sandwich.
Do I have a mountain white sandwich?
The bread does squish a lot, and it kind of falls apart or melts in your mouth. Now I'm going to try the seeds and grain sandwich. This one has a more bread-like texture. It doesn't fall apart or disintegrate when you bite into it. It has more taste. For this sandwich, this is the Cayon Bakehouse, I can't really taste the bread. This one I can definitely tell there's bread on the sandwich, and the seeds give it a nice crunch.
The seeds give a nice crunch, yeah.
Also, as you can tell, it doesn't squish the same way this one does. See how this one, the bread kind of squishes? This one, it doesn't have the squish. However, it is falling apart.
Why is it falling apart? You said it's not falling apart. Mommy, can you show this to the camera? No? Did you say yes or no? I broke. Mommy, why did this piece break off? Mommy, mine broke. Coke?
After eating about half of each, I definitely can tell you that I prefer the seeds and grain bread. this bread from Mountain White. Whoops, I'm dropping bread on myself. The Cayon Bakehouse Mountain White bread, it kind of falls apart in your mouth. It's not distinctive. It doesn't give you a distinctive bread taste, nor does it have that distinctive bread feeling. The seeds and grain bread does. I prefer this one. It's also vegan.